I'll guide you through the process of earning free tokens on the Binance Launchpool without risking your principal or having to pay expensive gas fees for decentralized airdrops. If you're ready, click the subscribe button and let's get started. Recently, Binance has integrated Launchpool directly into its earn products. Binance Launchpool is a platform on the Binance exchange that allows users to stake crypto assets, most commonly BNB or specific stablecoins, to farm or earn new upcoming project tokens for free. Here's how to participate. Open the Binance app and ensure you have completed identity verification to unlock the finance features required for staking. Navigate to the More menu and select the Launchpad and Launchpool icon to view the currently active farming projects and their countdown timers. Purchase or deposit either BNB for the highest reward allocation or a stablecoin like FDUSD to earn tokens without worrying about market price fluctuations. Tap the Stake button on your preferred pool and enter the amount you wish to lock, knowing that your original assets can be unstaked and returned to your wallet at any moment. Move your BNB into the Flexible Simple Earn category to automatically participate in all future launch pools and hodler airdrops without having to join each new event manually. Check the rewards section every hour to see your new tokens accumulating based on your percentage of the total staking pool. Use the Harvest button to claim your free tokens directly into your spot wallet so they're ready to be traded the second the project officially goes live on the exchange. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.